Hi, I'm Mukul Madan from the solution consulting team at Scandit. If your device fleet is due for a refresh, you're probably focused on reducing the costs. But a smart hardware choice does more than that. It can unlock new business value at the same time. The right devices can boost frontline efficiency, it can improve data accuracy, and also give the business leaders the confidence to act if you know what you're looking for. At Scandit, our enterprise success team has helped thousands of customers upgrading their barcode scanning infrastructure across retail, travel, logistics, and more. So in this video, I'll share real-world guidance to help you make a confident, informed decision. Let's start with the very basics. Broadly, there are two categories of scanning devices: the traditional laser scanners and smart devices like the smartphones, the tablets, and the handheld computers. So all smart devices have got some sort of camera in it, which can be utilized to capture the barcode information rather than a standard laser. This video focuses on camera-enabled smart devices, but if you're using traditional laser scanners, it is worth considering an upgrade now. Smart devices often offer better performance, greater flexibility, and lowering the long-term costs. Choosing the right smart device means going beyond the spec sheet. It starts with understanding how your users are scanning today and also defining the experience you would want them to deliver tomorrow. That's a much more reliable path to long-term value. Here are 5 key criteria to guide your decision. First, scanning volumes. How often and how fast are your scanning needs? Battery life. Does the device need to last an entire shift? Environmental conditions. Does the device need to cope up with low light? Is there dust, moisture, or are the users wearing gloves? User experience. Do users need clear feedback in noisy environments? Or do they need guidance through the scanning workflows? Do you need integration with existing systems? Does it need to support any MDM? What security does it need to comply with? So all these criteria you need to think of while making an informed decision about the hardware device selection. Now, once you have covered the basics, we recommend that customers evaluate the performance of individual devices by looking at different features. Time to scan, you mean the performance. Accuracy, the scan range, how far you can scan from. If your environment has a need for low light, then how does the device perform during the low light? Power efficiency, ergonomics is also very key. Ruggedness of the device. I mean, if you're working in the warehouses and the devices can fall, then probably ruggedness is also a key attribute that you should look for. Does it support multiple barcode scanning? Does it have enough juice within the CPU itself? Can it scan the tiny barcodes? So there are different criteria on which one should be evaluating the performance of these devices. You'll also want to prioritize these. Some measures will be more important than the others depending on your use case. For example, scanning speed and accuracy are critical for high volume situations, such as retail inventory, where the workers are scanning hundreds of items per day, as opposed to workers scanning fewer items, such as a delivery driver capturing 5 to 10 packages per hour. And finally, remember that the right mix of hardware and software is really what unlocks the value. At Scandit, we have helped thousands of enterprises do exactly that through hands-on testing, benchmarks, and tailored guidance. If you're planning a scanner refresh, talk to us. We'll help you choose the right tools for today and what's for next. Thank you.